my channel. This is Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places.
Hello, Tacloban! Or Ishile, Cebu Pacific. Hey, welcome sa Biliran! This is Naval Biliran. Nice ang view, oh. Pwede na rin angkatin yan. Tapos may escort kayong police and barangay. So, hi guys! This is the little Baguio of Biliran. In fairness, medyo malamig siya dito. So, ayan, ang ganda dito mag-picture-picture and mag-video. Kaso, careful lang sa mga dumadaan sa sakyan. And tricycles. Ayan. Guys, nadaanan namin sa may little Baguio area. May mga fresh produce. Tapos, ang mura lang. Super. Ito. Go green. Welcome sa Tinago Falls. Nakatago kasi siya. Char.
Nakatago siya behind the rock. Behind the rock. The rock formation. Ooh! Wow! Welcome sa Tinago Falls. 20 pesos lang entrance. Mura lang ulit.
Ang ganda niya rin sa taas, guys. Promise. Kaso, nakita ko lang siya sa drone. Glowing ang person. Pag nakagala, glowing talaga. Ay, ganda!
Ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Boom, bottle. Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up and boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Bottle, bottle, bottle. Life could be a dream. Ain't a ding dong, plans would come true. Ain't a ding dong, spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. You up and boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ain't a ding dong, plans would come true. Ain't a ding dong, spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
So, good morning. This is in Talahid Beach Resort. So, ayan na yung dagat. Taob na mga higala. Wow. That's Bisaya. So they have this kubo for 300 or 350. Tapos meron din silang overnight. Ganda pala niya in fairness pag ano na. Pag nakataas na yung dagat. Good morning, sunshine. It's time for another adventure. this is Kawayan Port. Ang ganda ng view dito. Ganda rin siguro sunset dito, Teno. Ayan o. Hi guys! Beautiful morning! Finally, we're here in Kawayan Port. So, we're off to Hinaga. Ano yun, te? Hinagatangan? Higatangan Island. So, this is the Kawayan Port. And then the background, look at that. Ganda, no? Napapalibutan ng mountains. So, Biliran has a lot to offer. So, mamaya explore natin ang Higatangan and Sambawan Island. Ciao! Matane! Super hanas. Hi guys! So, we're here in Hagdan Beach Resort. So, ayan. Ganda talaga ng Pilipinas, no? Bawat isla. Ganda. Ganda ng sand. Tapos, ang clear ng water. Ayan, oh. 360 talaga yung view. So, this is the Hagdan Beach Resort, just like what I've said earlier. So, nag-picture din. Okay. Wow, so ito yung food na prepare nila ng Jurist Travel Tours and Services. Wow, ang dami. Ang dami. Happy Fiesta. Wow, alagang-alaga ka sa ano. Pag sila yung kinuha yung service. Thank you so much. Tapos, ito yung view mo while eating. Ganda. Yan pala si Kuya Jury. Ang punong abala. Ang nag-prepare. Ha? Oh, wow. Oops. Nice diri ako. Video tama diha. Back. One last to Rabesh. Habal mo kasi na. Diyos ko po, Rude. Hawak kaya tayo mga beshi. Bakit tayo malaglag? What's wrong with the hagdan? It's so, so thin. It's narrow. Okay. We're here, badoodles. Ito na yung guide namin, oh. Hi. Si Makmak. The Tower of Higatangan. Tada!
Thank you!
Hagdan Beach Resort. So, hi guys. This is the end of our Higatangan Island adventure. So, this is part of the Hagdan Beach Resort. Lakas maka nature trip. Nature tripping. So, for Higatangan, it's very cheap. Pag pupunta kayo dito. Tapos, you can just ride a passenger boat from Naval. So, it's just more or less around an hour. Kumuha kami ng tour with, Jurist Tours and Services. Highly recommended. super maalaga ang ano, may-ari. So, ayun. Dito talaga ako nag-vlog, diba? Ganda kasi. So, ayun, you can do, it's also possible to have an overnight kasi maraming resort here in Higatangan. And also, I think the rooms are, it's just, you know, it would cost you around 1,500 or 1,000. It really depends if it's low or peak season. Come on, guys. Wow! May beach na. O, diba? After hagdan-hagdan pala yan. Welcome sa beach! Wow, ganda. Yan, so we're off to Sambawan Island. We're gonna mag-overnight. So for almost 2 hours, we're here na in Sambawan Island. Ang ganda ng water. It's so clear. So ito yung dadaanan namin. Dito kami nag-dock. Tapos ito yung dadaanan. So ayun, it's time to explore Sambawan Island. Let's go! So hi guys. I just wanted to add for cell site, for calls, texts, Globe and Smart is okay, pero mas malakas yung Globe. But for internet, I think much better yung Globe. So to those people wanted to know about, you know, signal, phone signal, ayun, mas recommend ko yung Globe. So Globe subscribers, go Power Ranger. Ayan, that's the Maripita. So ayun, just mata. Wow, the water is so clear. And it's super clean. Medyo madaming tao because it's weekend. Happy Fiesta, neighbor. May palit siya. Gatorade, Sprite, 4 kantos. Wow.
Mura magi ko an.
Mega imot kag ko progress eh.
I came prepared.
Hi, beautiful morning. So yun, explore na natin ang Sambawan Island. So, how many steps? 125 daw. Ooh. Yan yung araw. Then that's the Maripipi Island in the background. So beautiful morning, Sambawan Island. Malapit lang pala siya. So ayan, dyan tayo pupunta sa taas. Andun na sila kuya. Bilis lang, diba? 5 to 10 minutes lang. So hi guys. So just like, it's like 5 to 10 minutes. Ayan yung view sa taas. So meron itong kubo-kubo. Tapos yun yung the famous bato.
I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Si Kuya ang tawag po nung abala. Bye-bye, Mike. Hi, guys. So you can also book an overnight accommodation that will cost you 1,700, which is good for 10 packs already. So I suggest if you want to explore someone is to, stay one night. So, ayun. This is the end of our Sambuan Island adventure, but there are few places to visit here in Biliran. Ja, mata! Eh, nakita mo tanong. Subscribe, guys!
Subscribe, click like,
Sardinas with Miller Caron.
and don't forget to
Share.
share and get a notification. One like, one.
But like, welcome to Ulan Ulan Waterfall. So hi guys. Next, destination is the Ulan Ulan Falls. The good thing is, yung daanan, concrete na. Diba? Kahit umulan, hindi ka ma-slide. Ooh. I can hear the sound na. See you, Ulan Ulan Falls! Ciao! Tayo na yung Ulan Ulan Falls. So, 90 feet pa yun. Taas na. Ayan! Oy, blending in with the nature ako ah. Wow! Ganda. Taas eh. It's Sunday, so medyo madaming tao. Welcome back, and this is the end of our adventure, of my Biliran adventure. So I had so much fun. I hope that kayo din, you enjoyed watching this vlog. Thank you, Biliran. You're such a beautiful province. Ang ganda, ang dami pang pwedeng puntahan, but just for a couple of days, hindi natin ma-explore lahat ng tourist spots here in Biliran. But definitely, we can always come back. Thank you, Biliran, for this wonderful adventure. Amazing experience. And of course, the Kuya Jury. Maraming salamat. So, diri na lang ito ng aking vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please feel free to subscribe, share, and like. Until next time, jam at the next!
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned from this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please feel free to share, like, and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Ciao! Matane!